What is a ratio? A ratio is a comparison between two numbers or quantities or measurements. For example, if we have three triangles and two squares, and we want to compare the number of triangles to the number of squares, we could say that there is a ratio of 3 to 2 using a colon in between them, 3 to 2 with the word 2, or we could say 3 over 2 as a fraction. The reason why there are so many answers to this question is because there are three ways to write ratios. As we saw before, you could write it using a colon, you could write it using the word 2, or you could write it as a fraction. Let's look at some examples. First, if we have a group of utensils and we want to write a ratio of forks to spoons, we can write it as 3 colon 1, 3 to 1, or 3 over 1. The ratio of apples to oranges in this case is going to be 3 apples to 2 oranges. If we want to instead look at the ratio of apples or oranges, in this case oranges, to all the fruit, you make sure to include as your second number all of the fruits, both apples and oranges. So we would have 2 colon 5, 2 to 5, or 2 over 5. The ratio of dogs to cats would be 1 dog to 2 cats. And the ratio of dogs to all pets would be 1 dog to all 3 pets. 1 colon 3, 1 to 3, or 1 over 3.